Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some vanilla crescents, a traditional German Christmas cookie recipe. For the recipe we need grated almonds, flour, butter, sugar, a pinch of salt and some vanilla paste. We start by putting the flour, the sugar, the almonds, the salt and the butter into the mixing bowl. I briefly mix all the ingredients and then I add the vanilla paste. When the dough is done mixing, you will get a nice soft ball of dough which is not sticky at all. Now we can forming our vanilla crescents. For that we take some dough the size of a walnut and first we make a little ball and then we make a little roll. And then we bend the ends like this. And that's our little vanilla crescent. The amount in the recipe is calculated for one cake tray, the size 14 by 17 inches. Now we put them in the oven at 340 for 12 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare our vanilla flavored powdered sugar. For that, I cut a vanilla pod in half and then I scrape out all the vanilla pith. I mix the vanilla pith with the powdered sugar and the powdered sugar gets flavored immediately. Since the vanilla peel still has a lot of vanilla taste, I cut it into little pieces and put it into the powdered sugar as well. Crescents are done when the ends turn slightly golden brownish. Please leave the vanilla crescents on the tray until they are completely cooled down because they are still soft, and then you can finish them up with your vanilla flavored powdered sugar. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe and share. And if you haven't watched one of my other recipes for Christmas cookies, please click up here and let me know which one is your favorite. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.